Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping the eye so products sit and move predictably. Cleanse, moisturize, then prime. Once primed, place tape at a subtle 10 to 20 degree angle to lift the outer corner and create a clean guideline. Use an angled brush with a soft matte shadow to sketch a thin extension from the outer lash line following that tape. This first stroke defines the long eye silhouette, so work lightly and build length gradually rather than drawing one heavy line. Once the guideline is set, tighten the lash base by tightlining the upper waterline with a gel liner to visually pull the eye outward. Next, apply a medium matte shadow to the outer third and smudge it along the upper lash line, blending inward about 1/3 to create depth without weighing the center. For balance, softly extend the lower outer lash line by about 0.5 to 1 centimeter. Keep the central lower lid light so the overall effect remains elongated, not heavy. To finish, apply mascara and place lashes that concentrate length at the outer third, or use 2 to 3 small clusters to accentuate the extension. Once lashes are set, clean the edges using a small concealer brush for a crisp outer corner, then add a subtle inner corner highlight to maintain balance. If lines look too harsh or uneven, make sure to soften them with tiny back and forth blender strokes and resettle pigment. A light setting spray locks everything in and prevents migration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.